Hello Wesley, this is Marie. I'm from Belgium. I am your big fan. I just want to thank you for everything you learned me 2 months ago or 3 months ago. I started with doing the meditation. Everything changed in my life. Everything became positive. I thank you for the money you sent already to me. And the Overnight Millionaire is such a great program, and I learned so much about it, and you are speaking my language. It's so easy when you explain something. We can make instant money with you. The Done For You service is just great. Everything is so easy to understand. The team is great as well, and I'm looking forward to do the other programs. But you say stay focused, focused, focused. So I'm focused now. I'm motivated, dedicated, blessed, and the way to go up is to stay focused and to cut all the crap. So I love you, I care for you, and thank you.